Hey guys, it's your boy Shakai and your boy Bryson, and we're back with another video. So today, we had 102 packs, but those were basically boring packs. So we're gonna open these packs right here. We're gonna start off with the gold player. North Division. Okay. Let's see. Let's open these pro packs. Unless we open the last pack. Hopefully we can pull elite in one of these. Oh! Right, the second try we pulled 83 DeMar DeRozan. That is crazy. Yo, pro packs are the way to go. Oh, Markelle Fultz. That was a nice pull right there. Alright, let's keep it going.
Why am I bored on here? Why am I bored on here?
Nobody.
There's no board on here. I put a board on here.
Your bar?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Where's the alien?
That's your fault. Why would you put it in there? Oh, Ben Simmons. Okay. 3 more pro packs to go. I'm going to let my brother open the last 3. We're going to see what he could do. Magic is. Let's go. And then we're going to get into the triple double packs. I guess. Well, we pulled one elite which was an 83 DeMar DeRozan. You have no. No.
Yes, you did.
Nobody cares.
Whoa!
Yo, that's 2 elites. 82 Dwayne Wade. That is 2 elites. That I'm gonna be putting up for a lot of money. Jason Tatum. Yo, pro packs are the way to go. I'm about to. Once I get all the coins up, you have to go get some of these pro packs. I'm actually gonna buy some for when we're about to end the video. If the recording stops, we will be coming back with a part 2. So don't worry about that. You know, you guys want to see these. Oh crap. Open the defensive pack. So my brother's gonna be opening the defensive packs.
All 5 of these.
Oh. We already got Dwayne Wade and
We got Justin Jackson.
and nothing in this pack either. He basically got the same players. I'm gonna save these for last. These are great packs. Let's open this Chris Paul one. This is the only one we got anyway. Let's see. Nothing in here. Any shooting play style packs. Okay, Gold Coast. I basically just saved up my coins and I posted things on the auction block. And I'm working towards more. So last shooting pack. Hopefully we could pull another leap before. Oh, and we get a Doug McDermott. Right when I say we could pull another leap, we get a Doug McDermott.